about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT as we take the train to Sanyi Township, known for its wood carvings. But today, I think I want to talk more about the snacks we can enjoy here because you know I love to eat. 今天呢，我们还是带大家到三义去哦。除了这些木制品之外呢，我们当然也要来品尝一下客家的传统点心。有哪些点心在三义这边可以吃得到呢？待会儿 Leo 呢会带我们去哦。哎呀 ，Leo 啊，我们在三义已经玩了一整个下午，你知道现在有一点肚子巴豆腰，
还有
肚子饿
耶，
什么肚脐耶？
就是肚子饿了。
哦，这是
叫做肚脐，
叫做肚脐。
哎
，OK，that's hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. 有什么点心我们可以来吃啊？
哎呦，这边太多了啦，我随便念给你听哦。
好，
有那个发拌呐，捏拌呐，吹包啦，起白啦，旧菜拌呐。
啊，有几个我知道，有菜包，有这个麻糬，
哎，
还有什么？
重点有一样一定要讲到
哦，什么？
绿豆椪，
绿豆椪嘛。
哎，对，但是它有另外一个名字，很有趣的名字，叫做肚脐饼。
哎，我好像有听过，很可爱，对不对？因为长得有点像肚脐，对不对？
超嘎！
哎 ，It's called the belly button cake. That's a different name for the green bean paste cake. 哦，这应该很好吃。怎么讲？肚脐饼？
肚脐饼，
肚脐饼。哦，做饼，饼给了啦。
哎，等不及了哈，
等不及。
那我们现在赶快来去吃一下。
好，
吃完如果还有时间，我们再带你去彩绘 DIY 啊。
所以有力气就可以 DIY，do it yourself， 没问题。Let's go and let's eat。
好，走吧。
If you head over to Sanyi to check out the wood carvings, you should try all the traditional Hakka snacks too. Brown sugar cakes, mugwort buns, stuffed steamed buns, millet cakes, 9-layer cakes, and other rice foods. Plus mung bean cakes, also known as navel cakes, with its delicious stuffing overflowing from the middle. Not only does Sanyi have many restaurants specializing in Hakka cuisine, there's also traditional Hakka snack and noodle stands to provide everyone with a wide array of local dishes, plus DIY projects that you can take home.
So today we got to eat a lot of Hakka snacks. Let's teach you some of these vocabs, such as snack. 一定要教怎么说点心嘛？
哎，超嘎，点心，
点心。OK， 真的好多好吃的点心。饿了怎么说？
肚脐，
肚脐。我现在还吃肚脐。And finally, have the 肚脐饼。
肚脐饼，
肚脐饼, which literally is the navel cake. And now you know, so go enjoy these food in Sanyi. That does today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎？
安子say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.